Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to run an XML program in Notepad. This is a simple yet effective XML files on your computer. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to locate your XML file. Open File Explorer, find the file, and then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Open With. Step 2. Next, a list of programs will appear. From the options, choose Notepad. If you don't see Notepad in the list, click on Choose Another App, and then select Notepad from the full list of programs. Step 3. Once the file opens in Notepad, you'll be able to see the XML code displayed in plain text. From here, you can read, edit, or make changes to the XML structure as needed. Don't forget to save your changes if you make any edits. And that's it! You've successfully run an XML program in Notepad. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.